Are you tired of all the carousels cluttering up your liked section on Instagram? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to show you how to unlike multiple carousels by date on Instagram using your PC with the new update. First things first, open your Instagram account on your PC. Next, head over to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon or the three dots. From there, click on Your Activity to access your interactions and likes. Now, in the Interactions section and Likes section, you'll be able to see all the carousels you've liked. Click on Sort and Filter to narrow down your search. Enter the start date and end date for the period of the carousels you want to unlike. Then click on Apply. After that, click on Select to choose the carousels you want to unlike. Once you've made your selection, tap on Unlike and confirm the action. And just like that, you've successfully unliked multiple carousels on Instagram. So if you're looking to clean up your liked section and remove those carousels you no longer want, follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to a more organized Instagram profile. Unliking carousels has never been easier with this new update. Thanks for watching and happy unliking.